transformed. Tonight, world-class cyclists from 16 countries all over the U.S. and from right here in the Twin Cities vie for cash and prestige at speeds of over 30 miles an hour. In our women's race coming up, Carmen Small of Colorado defends her overall lead in this third day of competition. Gained that lead in a race just like this one in St. Paul 2 days ago. His 10 to 5-hour energy team will try to keep control of 130 competitors all chomping at the bit. 28 laps on this 6/10 mile course, 6 corners every time they go around.
The front of the bike race in the orange and black jerseys looks like Specialized Lululemon. Gonna have a go at it this time with Amber Neven, your new Olympic rider on the front.
Come to the line. Okay, riders at the line. Okay, 6 and older. If you're everybody else, go.
Watch the wind that's created here. And by the peloton, they bring a good wind with them.
The tails are definitely up for these pro men, and they are on the ribbon, as it were, with 29 laps to go.
Well, one of the things you've got to think about here are that we've got 3 teams represented. Number 6, Scott on the Opens team. Other guys in here that aren't going to be chasing them. That might be mashing at the front. A little bit easier to chase harder. Yeah, absolutely. There are still 3 powerful teams back there not doing any chasing.
Well, Mike Prix staying at the front. He was about 6th or 7th wheel coming through there. They'll try and keep an eye on the Canada boys, but right now it is all up to Jesse Anthony. If he wants this jersey, he's gonna have to do it himself. Classic counterattack from Eric Marcotte. He saw that breakaway